Welcome up, my friends. I hope that you're having an awesome day today. And in today's video, I want to share with you how you can build a campaign and launch it right away, specifically with SMS or with text messages, leveraging Twilio or any other platform connected to your Clickfunnels environment. So we are in our Clickfunnels environment and we're seeing some context. So the first thing that I want you to do, you're gonna go into automations and we're gonna create a new workflow. So in the top right side, you're gonna click add workflow and you're gonna type a name for your campaign. So in here, I'm gonna go SMS broadcast 2. And in here, we are gonna create our broadcast message. First thing is that because you're gonna be triggering this manually, you're not gonna put a trigger in here. But if you're gonna do it automatically, you can put a trigger. You're gonna click the plus sign and you're gonna add here, send message through Messagehub. When you click that, you're gonna come the options that you have available in your Messagehub configure. So I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna pick SMS, and in here, you type your message. So, hey, our live stream is starting in 1 hour. We will wait for you at... Okay. And you click create because we're just sending the message. Okay. Now is the most important detail. You need to enable this workflow. Click to enable the workflow. Enable. And now you're ready to send the message to whoever you need to send it. So let me go back. I'm gonna go into customers, click contact. And in here, you have the different ways to search for your contacts. You can filter them by tag, you can filter them by name, by when they were active or not. I'm just gonna do a basic search for some of my accounts. So I'm gonna pick 2 of my accounts. And now, all that I have to do, bulk actions, run workflow. And in here in run workflow, I'm gonna pick my SMS broadcast 2 and send workflow. My workflow was just executed. So let's wait. Okay, so let's look at this. You see the message was delivered directly into the phone. And you can see this if you go into your Messagehub. You can see that the messages were delivered. Or if you go into your Twilio account and you go into monitor and messaging, you can see the messages that were delivered and the ones that were not. That's how you can send a broadcast to your Twilio subscribers directly from Clickfunnels. So we'll see you on our next video.